Hello everyone. In today's video we will going to deal with sets. As you can see the background, you will see bunch of keys. You have seen bunch of flowers, different kind of flowers, but they all are flowers. Wall hanging, frames, fruits, furniture, all these groups are present in our main slide and all are in the form of a group, but they are all related to each other, and such things are called as set. Let us see now definition of a set. A group of well-defined objects is called a set. For example, as I showed you before, a group of fruits, banana, apple, mango, grapes, you can keep on going. Vegetables, so all the vegetables which comes under that will come in a set. Then set of uniform. Every school have a set of uniform. You have to wear whatever is described by the school. Then we will be calling it as a uniform. Same way we have group of natural number. I hope you all know counting number is known as natural number. So you can say group of natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. As the statement will be given to you based on the requirement, everyone should have the same answer, then we call them as a set. For example, if I say a statement natural number less than 10, whether I say or you say, or you can ask A person, B person, C person, D person, anyone, all will give you the same answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because less than 10 means till 9 and all will going to say the same answer. Such statement comes and they are known as a set. Similarly, if we want to have number of girl students in St. Dominic Savio, we can find out all over the world whatever the schools are there on the name of St. Dominic Savio, and all the girls who are there, they all will come in the form of group and they will be called as a set. Group of whole numbers, when I say group of whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. If you will ask group of whole number less than 5, everyone will give you what answer? 0, 2, 4. If I say less than 4 means it will be 0, 1, 2, 3. If I say less than 5 then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I say up to 5 then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group of integers, now you can understand which number will come 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and other side minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Group of prime numbers 2, 3, 5 and so on. Group of whole number greater than 5 but less than 10, 6, 7, 8, 9. So all these numbers will be, all these answers will be given by everybody. That's why we call such number as a set. Now we will learn how to present the set. If any set is given, how to present it. So first thing, to write any set, we denote it with capital letter, capital A, capital B, capital N, capital W, capital I, any alphabet which is capital me, we write down that as a name. And what about the elements? Elements are written in a using small alphabet or numerical may numbers, and we put comma so that they can be separated. the sign, this sign which we have, we call it as belongs to. Like 1 belongs to natural number, 2 belongs to natural number, 0 belongs to whole number. So belongs sign is used all the places. Sign does not belongs to is this. If something is not belongs, for example, 0 does not belongs to natural number. So I will use this sign to indicate that. Natural number is indicated by N, capital N, whole number is indicated by W, and integer is indicated by I. Then rational number we indicate by Q, and real number we indicate by R. So in this video we have learned the definition of set and how do we represent. Basically the use of capital letter for the name of the set and the element for we indicate a small alphabet.